the video tutorial of Talkie Tot. My name is Barbara Fernandez, and I'm going to be guiding you to showcase this amazing app that you can use on iPad, iPhone, or Mac devices. So as you can see, Talkie Tot has 3 different sections, and it's really designed to help kids on that beginning language development phase of their life, so they can work on their vocabulary, feelings, and start building their very first phrases, which is my favorite part of this app. So if I click on Vocabulary Explorer, I have all of these different categories. I'm going to pick animals, for example. And notice here, the goal of this app is not to test the students. So if we are teaching, but you can also sit next to the child and ask, what is this? And the child doesn't know, they can always tap on it and then can hear that it is a duck. Now here, you can also play and verbally ask the child, where's the chicken?
Chicken.
Now show me the bird.
Bird.
Now they get to see, so every time they navigate through each of the categories, as they learn, we are displaying more and more animals per screen. So here I can say, oh, we have 3 animals here. Where's the lion?
Lion.
Or you can just let the child freely explore the app
Bee.
to learn the animal names. Now, here's one cool thing. For a lot of students and kids that are also having access to 2D or symbol support, the app also offers the ability to visualize what each of these words look like in 2D as opposed to real life images. Or if they're using an AAC device, an alternative communication device, they can also see what that image looks like. So as you can see here, now I have more of a 2D. If I tap on it, I can see a 3D. Now let's explore the next section, feelings. Here, it's a really basic access to various feelings.
I feel thoughtful. I feel awesome.
Letting the child explore and express how they're feeling.
I feel scared.
So they just tap and it says how they're feeling. The third one, which is phrase building, which is my favorite section. It's a really nice introduction to putting words together. I'm going to go ahead and tap core phrases.
Go home.
A lot of kids, as they're learning to put words together, so they start saying ball if they want to ball, or home if they're somewhere they want to go home. But they, as they progress, they start putting words together. And this is what this app is aiming to help them with.
Go.
Go.
Home.
So put them together, it becomes
Go home.
Go home.
Come here. Come here.
Here. Come here.
Come here. Let's go.
One really neat feature is the ability to put color shape cues. If I turn this on, notice that now I have my square yellow and green, so that I can drag the green with the green, yellow with the yellow. And so as kids are learning to take those very first steps towards mastering putting words together, they have a little help to get them there.
Let's go.
And once they master matching the colors and hearing those phrases said to them, you can always go back to the settings and turn it off. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Talkie More.
Big shirt.
Here we have putting an adjective and the noun together.
Big shirt. Big shirt. Black cat. Black cat. Black cat. Blue cap.
Now the third level,
Bake cake.
it's an action phrase. So you have a verb and you have your noun.
Bake cake. Bake cake. Blow candles.
So this was an overview of Talkie Tot, which is available in the App Store. It is compatible with iPads, iPhones, and also you can download it on a MacBook computer.